So in this module, we built our first little application. Now, as I said, of course, we can certainly build more beautiful applications. And that is something we will, of course, do throughout this course. No worries, we'll dive a lot into how you can style and lay out your apps, how you can change colors, how you can adjust all these widgets to your needs and preferences. What we did in this module, though, is we covered a lot of important things. We covered what widgets are, that there are stateful and stateless widgets, that you typically use more stateless than stateful widgets, and that they are both important and how they split work. You learned how to work with built-in widgets and where to find them in the official widget catalog, that you can also build your own widgets that actually compose more complex user interface building blocks from these Flutter primitives you get from these core basic widgets Flutter gives you. You learned how to manage some data, how to pass it around as arguments to constructors, and you also learned a lot about Dart and some of its core fundamentals. If you haven't done it already, definitely dive into the attached resources and text lectures, which you also find in this module. Also in the attachments to the last lecture of this module, especially also to compare code, because this will then allow you to dive deeper into certain things you struggled with or which might not be entirely clear yet. With all these resources, you should have a first understanding of what Flutter is, how it works, and how you work with it, and how you build widgets. Now, we'll of course continue doing that throughout the course and dive even deeper into other features and other things you can do with Dart and Flutter. So let's move on.